Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are visiting the farmer's market with Bluey today, and it looks like Lala is going to come along too. There's going to be some fresh fruits and vegetables and lots of fun things to do. Let's open up the playset and have a look. First we have our stand, and there are different fruits and vegetables up top. Now, what do you think this could be? Maybe an apple? I'm not quite sure. What is this? Looks like an onion, a slice of watermelon, a mushroom, and an avocado. I love avocados and they're so nutritious. And down below we have some sort of a root vegetable, tomatoes, and heads of lettuce. The set also comes with a little Bluey figure, and Bluey is holding a little reusable bag so that she can put her fruits and vegetables in it. Sometimes I like to take a basket to the market. We also have a blue scale so that you can weigh your fruits and vegetables. And then we have some, what looks like broccoli, bananas, and more tomatoes. The set also comes with some little Bluey money. There's a $5 bill, a $20 bill, and a $10 bill. Now, since Bluey is the shopper, there needs to be a character that runs the fruit stand. Who should it be? Hola! It's going to be Dora the Explorer today. Bluey wants to make a salad for dinner tonight, so she's going to buy a head of lettuce, some broccoli, and some tomatoes. She also loves fruit for breakfast, so she's going to buy a bunch of bananas. That will be $10, please. There you go. Uh-oh, I don't think Bluey's bag is big enough for all her fruits and vegetables. That's okay. Mom has brought the basket. Let's put the food in the basket. Perfect. Now let's go to a real farmer's market. What do you see? I see peppers, eggplant. Oh, there's some yellow and green zucchini, tomatoes, and apples. You can also find yummy, juicy berries at a market too. We are going to pick a pumpkin. Each of the kids picks their own pumpkin. There are so many to choose from. Some have a little bit of green color. The kids each picked a pumpkin to carve. They got a medium-sized pumpkin. And I brought my own basket to the Fall Fest, where I got some greens for salad that we eat every single night. And we have some tomatoes. There's some yellow ones and a red one, and some little mini sweet peppers for the kids' school lunches. We also add onions to our salad, some purple ones, and underneath the onions, what are those? Oh, oops! Some yummy red strawberries, and everything is organic. So flavorful and tasty and good for us too. Now let's go make a yummy, healthy salad. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.